ये real है. That feeling when you're standing on top of a mountain and the view below, words can't explain it. सिर्फ एक ही feeling आती है. Wow, that feeling, that's what we chase. Welcome to TGIF Reunion, where every journey starts with that thank God it's Friday feeling. From Himalayan sunrises that silence your thoughts, to the Ganga Aarti that gives you goosebumps, नीचे का view और भी stunning होता जा रहा है. We've driven through the clouds and shale. We've witnessed Alaska's raw, untamed beauty. We've felt the energy of festivals where the vibe hits different. And we've captured moments where ऐसा लगा कि हम किसी और दुनिया में पहुंच गए. If you've been waiting for that push to pack your bags, this is it. Hit subscribe and join the journey. Because the world is too beautiful to experience only on weekends. From hidden gems in Himachal to spiritual nights in Rishikesh, to adventures we haven't even filmed yet. Top पर पहुंच के जो view मिलता है, वो words में explain करना मुश्किल है. You just have to see it. Thank God it's Friday.